This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
Hey guys, this is Valerie Lauer with a video app review of an application we've had here with us this week called Power Calculator. This is a calculator that's perfect for electricians, engineers, emergency management personnel, anyone that's trying to figure out and do a simple power conversion or do a calculation of amps or anything like that. This is what we would be looking at. So forgive me, I'm going to go back to that main screen. This is the main page of Power Calc. Now, as you can tell, this kind of breaks it down into a couple different sections. There's a power calculator, which you want to decide whether you use a single phase or three-phase power, depending on what you're working with, mostly single phase usually. You're going to want to put in your volts required, your amperes, your power factor, and evaluate. That's very, very simple. This is stuff that might take a long time to do on a scientific calculator, but you can complete these equations instantly right here in the application. So this is kilowatts to kVA. This is kVA to kilowatts, same deal. This is kilowatts to horsepower. And again, just simple, push of a button. The amperes calculator, same deal. You want to do single phase, three phase, and you want to input your basic information, and you can get that evaluated. Down here we have a section that's the HP to kVA calculator, a generator calculator, and a UPS calculator. Same concept as the beginning power calculator. Basically, you put in your power factor and all your other information, and this is going to help you again if you want to know what kind of power you need to have in a generator. Good for a backup system. So basically, this is just the most practical application I've had to take a look at in quite a long time. This interface is extremely easy. It's extremely straightforward. There's not really any bells or whistles. Only really design touches these color-coded wire coils, and also down here in this section. Now this section is kind of cool for anyone getting a bulb from a different country. It lets you compare the lumens and the watts for different types of bulbs. Anything from really crazy mercury vapor lights you might be using in a stadium, just to basic home-style bulbs. And just conversions for all of those. So that's really great, again, for anyone who's a contractor, doing work at a building, in an arena, anything like that. There's also this great About section that not only gives you a link to their website, but gives you a couple links to additional information in case you're not certain, what you're looking for here, what you're after. And again, this is just a basic application. It's extremely straightforward. It's actually free as well, so there's no ads, there's no catch. It's just an extremely straightforward and extremely intelligent application that lets you calculate this information without having to go through a big long process and without having to go to a lot of trouble. So this is going to be great, again, to be in the pocket of anyone who's an engineer, emergency planner, anyone who's doing electrical work on a large scale. This is a little bit more advanced than you'd be getting for just some basic wiring, but it definitely goes into detail on a lot of different power calculations, and you really can't go wrong with a free application. Again, not the fanciest application. I really wish there was a feature to create a project or to export your results or to create a project. It's not. It's just basic, straightforward, very, very simple. So here at the iPhoneAppReview.com, we did give this application a 4 out of 5 stars. I mean, it's definitely high quality. It definitely functions and pulls its weight. Not slacking in the power here, not to be too funny about it. But I think definitely get a high quality application that's going to be really useful to any one of those fields I mentioned earlier: engineering, electricians. Just keep this on you. It's a universal application. It runs perfectly on the iPhone, the iPad, the iPod Touch, and really, I don't have anything bad to say other than there's a few features that I'd like to see. So it's a great value. Again, with the iPhoneAppReview.com, this has been Valerie Lauer with a video app review of Power Calculator. Until next time.